Work with our long-standing mentors who are registered with Oxford Brookes University to complete your research and analysis project in as less as 2.5 to 3 months. Our program has delivered a phenomenal 98% pass rate as opposed to the global pass rate of 66%. This is all possible because of our stellar program that provides detailed and step-by-step guidance on all areas of the project, access to online live meetings, personalized, regular and constructive feedback by your mentor to improve the quality of your work up to the required standards, continuous support from the mentor via email and WhatsApp correspondence, and online access to Oxford Brookes University's published material for the RAP. One final review by another independent mentor to help improve the quality of your work, access to a submission checklist right before you submit, and a RAP sign-off by your registered mentor. So what are you waiting for? Enrollments for May 2023 are in progress. See you online.